How to fix Gas app won't let me borrow money. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Gas app won't let me borrow money problem. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, update Gas app. Open App Store. Tap search icon at bottom right. Search for Gas app. If you see update button, tap on it to ensure you have the latest version. If issue continue, go to settings, scroll down to general and open it. Tap iPhone storage, search Gas app, and on the screen tap offload app and confirm. After that, tap reinstall and your issue should resolve. If clearing cache didn't help you, you can simply try deleting and reinstalling the app. Tap delete button and tap confirm, and then you need to go to App Store and search Gas app and tap Gate to reinstall. If the problem persists, contact customer support, explain the issue to customer support, and then hopefully your Gas app representative will help you fix the problem. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.